forces out. We have Shiboom, Jam Spotty, Red, moving up party outside now is Red Storm by Darrell, Extreme Power, then followed already outside by Terminator. Pernan, ikaw pa rin is racing in fourth, and in fifth, Boss Lady in the middle, Premier Act Blueprint, while Beat the Hit is running in last as they swing down the back. Terminator leads by about 2, and in second is Extreme Power running by Darrell, Red Storm. Moving up now to take fourth comes Pernan, ikaw pa rin. Shiboom is racing in fifth, then followed by Boss Lady. Blueprint is by Darrell. Then next on line, Premier Rack and Beat the Hit is still running in last. Now we've got Red Storm takes the lead. Extreme Power is already outside. Pernan, ikaw pa rin is already outside third. Terminator drives back in fourth. Shiboom, Boss Lady now coming into the picture. Now we have Red Storm. Pernan, ikaw pa rin fighting out for the lead. Extreme Power is racing in third, moving up by Darrell's Blueprint. Boss Lady is already outside as they come to the last 200. Red Storm this time by about 3 lengths. Pernan, ikaw pa rin in second, moving up party outside. Blueprint, Boss Lady, last 100 meters, and it's still Red Storm by about 3 lengths. Blueprint in second, and finally Red Storm, Blueprint, Pernan, ikaw pa rin, Boss Lady, and Beat the Hit for your